this is Michelle with Pink & Mane. Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to give you a closer look at our February 2021 new product release. We're going to start here with our glitter enamel dots. These are called Happy Mail, and they're really pretty. We've got some plum purple color, pink, yellow, green, teal, and gray. Really pretty, unique color combination there. And it coordinates perfectly with our brand new paper pad this month called Happy. It's got some pretty florals, some different patterns, plaids, polka dots. We've got some pretty watercolor type backgrounds in here. We also have a super fun embossing folder. This is a 6x6 embossing folder. As you can see, you just open it up, put your paper in there and run it through your die cut or embossing machine. And you can see the pattern here. It cuts out these really cute envelopes with hearts. Some of them are closed up. Some of them have little letters sticking out. It's just really super cute for creating some fun backgrounds. We have one standalone die set this month, and this is our large sentiment strip dies. So we already have a set of sentiment strip dies that are thinner. They're about 1/4 inch thick, and they're good for those really small type print sentiment stamp sets. And these are 1/2 inch thick, so you can fit bigger sentiments on them. So this is a lot of fun. And they go anywhere from 1 inch up to, I believe this is 4 inches or 4 1/4. It's a good size. So you have 14 dies here. So, I mean, you pretty much can fit just about any sentiment that you have in your stash with these. Now we'll go through the stamp sets. And I love to color them up because I just think it makes them look so much better when you see them colored. So this is our mini Nomi. And this cute little gnome is a 2x3 stamp set and the coordinating die. So you'll get the stamp and the coordinating die free when you spend $50 this month. So we'll do it as long as we have them available for you. So it'll start with the release and it'll go until we run out. But this is super cute, and I will show you he coordinates really well with one of our stamp sets this month. We have a 4x6 stamp set called Big Vertical Greetings. You've all loved our vertical greetings and the holiday vertical greetings stamp sets, which are 3x4 inch stamp sets. So it has smaller vertical sentiments. So I thought I'd do a larger set to give you a more bold look when you want something a little bigger and more bold. So this has Missing You, So Sorry, Hey There, Just a Note, Congrats, Thanks, Hello, Love, and Hey. And it's got some fun hearts you can use as well. So that's really, really versatile sentiment stamp set that is vertical. So when you want something different, you can try a vertical stamp. Here we have the Love You 6x6 stamp set. So you can see we've got these really cute spring critters. We've got a little chick, we've got a lamb, and a bunny, and they've got these super long legs to make them really cute. So they're just kind of whimsical and quirky looking. I hope this card puts a little spring in your step, Love You, and Happy Easter. So you've got some cute spring and Easter sentiments along with these little critters. We've got another adorable 6x6 stamp set this month. This is called Berry Sweet. These bears are just adorable. It's the same little bear that we had in our Happy Fall stamp set back in the fall. So if you want to grab him when the Happy Fall set, or if you already have him, now you can make some spring and summer and pretty much all year round. You can make some cards with this set as well. So we've got 3 of the little bears. Here he's eating a strawberry, and here he has his hand out. So in his hand, you could stamp and put this little flower, so he could be smelling the flower, or you could put a little strawberry in his hand, or maybe this jar. And the jar, you can stamp this small little bee or the small little berries. So it could be a jar of honey, or it could be a jar of strawberry jam. We've got a little strawberry bush here. that you can stamp and color in. We have a cute butterfly, and these sentiments are really, really cute. So we've got the word berry, and we've got sweet of you, so you could do berry sweet of you. And then these are stamped so that they have a blank spot here where the berry fits right in this space. So miss you so very much. I can very wait to see you. Wishing you the very best. Thank you very much. So just a really cute set to create with. And last but not least, we have a large 6x8 stamp set, and this is called No Matter What. And these sweet gnomes are very unique, and they have their own little scene going on in these little tea or coffee cups. So we have a little scene here with some flowers and the little mushroom house and a little squirrel or chipmunk. We have a daisy. It said, I love you no matter what. We've got this cute little guy down here, and he's in his cup with some mushrooms. We have another couple of cuties here. And isn't she sweet, smelling that big flower? It says, hello, sweet friend. There is no one like you, and happy spring. So all of these stamp sets that I've shown you with the little critters and such, they have coordinating dies that are also available for them. So thank you so much for joining me today and taking a closer look at our February 2021 new product release. I hope you love these new stamps and dies, paper pad, embossing folder, and glitter enamel dots as much as I do. You can find them all at pinkandmane.com, plus so much more. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.